29th of July 2021 we have Raappavuorenreuna Raappavuorenreuna staircase here in Martinlaakso, modernized. Vantaa, Vantaa, Vantaa here in Helsinki, small region, also Finland, Finland. The best history person for France about 1971, turned 50 years old this year in 2021, and the serial number is H25178664. So it's going to be expected in next year, 2022. Let's write it. First floor. Should we take another ride?
Yeah. Parking-wise maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Just as it should be.
Yeah.
It looks like the numbers have been changed in all the doors.
Mm.
I believe in the 1990s.
Yeah.
Because they look like on Kone doors.
Yeah.
I've seen them. They're quite similar.
Yeah.
So that's why I believe it was changed in the 1990s.
Yeah.
Still, that's, I mean, it's otherwise original, so
Yeah.
otherwise perfect, but this is still amazing.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Only this text to see and I've left to be filmed here.
That's